So I'm Matt from Blue Ridge Overland Gear, and today we're going to take a look at our 12 by 12 clear packing cubes. And basically we kind of organize stuff in this. It's a great utility piece. Clear front, vinyl reinforced or string reinforced vinyl, so if you punch a hole in it, the string kind of keeps it from tearing. Number 8 YKK zipper, so big heavy zippers, zipper pulls you can grab with a glove. It's great for stuff like jumper cables and hoses and clothes and miscellaneous stuff like that. Stuff you want to be able to see what's inside of it, but at the same time you don't want moisture in there because it's going to kind of keep the moisture or whatever's in there. That's why I like it for things like jumper cables, because it keeps whatever grease, grime, miscellaneous stuff inside the bag. 500 denier Cordura. It's got daisy chained webbing up both sides, so you can hook it with a carabiner, you know, and hang it off of stuff. It's got a handle so you can grab it and carry it. Nice thing to pack. You can pack clothes, all kinds of stuff in there. It's got a piece of webbing across the top, so you can put a name placard on here if you want. Good for rain gear, rain hats, winter stuff. You know, we've got them that say winter stuff on them, things like that. Pretty handy. In the grand scheme of things, it's 12 by 12 by 2.5, about 2.5 inches. It will hold 4 life-size squirrels, or 3 life-size squirrels and Bob here. May not be quite life-size, but nonetheless, almost a 4 life-size squirrel bag. You can find it at blueridgeoverlandgear.com. Thanks for taking the time to stop by and check it out.